Come with me. Let me show you how to prepare food that will make you reduce weight. I managed to reduce 16 kg under 6 months. Before I weigh 87, 86, now I'm 70 kg. So if you know you have interest, stay tuned. So if today is the first time you come across my video, I have different video of what I eat and what I drink. Health is weight. That is the reason I carry you guys along this journey. Okay, what I have there is chicken breast. Because some people text me, message me, they said they are sick and tired of eating salmon, fish. Is there any other food I eat? I said, yes, why not? So I don't want to hide anything from you. What I have there now is chicken breast. All this tutorial, all this recipe, somebody helped me as well. That is the reason I don't have any reason to hide it. That person don't have platform. Like me, I have platform. So my platform is not just to teach makeup and to do a vlog and to educate people as well, because health is weight. We are tired of diabetes. We are tired of high blood pressure. So I'm totally out of medication due to medical review because of my weight loss, and the doctor said everything is fine. So this is chicken breast. Chicken breast means they already take off all the fat, excess fats away from the chicken. So I'll boil it. On that day, on that faithful day, please manage my explanation. So put a little bit of seasoning, Maggi, and if you are the type that like chili, pepper, just add pepper as well. So that day, I managed to cook beans for my family. You know, we are family of 5. Okay, this is fresh pepper, the big one. So I just added to it. So this is hot pepper, Africa hot pepper. You know, we Africa, we are used to hot pepper, but all these are just optional. So I just want you to focus your eye, and if this video is helpful to you, don't waste time. Go and visit my page on Facebook, Deg Beauty Family. Most of all the videos are there. So I just like to carry my people along. I don't have time to teach one person. That is the reason I dropped the video. So right now, I cook beans for my family that day, and I take off. You see these beans? It's boiled beans with nothing, just beans boiled. I take off this portion of these beans because after cooking this food, I'm going to portion this food into 3. This is for 3 days. Into 3. So that day, this week, I said, let me eat other things. You know, I'm always eating cauliflower rice. I don't eat normal rice. Stay away from carbohydrates. Yes. And make sure, go and watch those, my previous video, the protein shake I drink as well. That will make you fuller, not to be hungry. So right now, you can see the food is ready. Because the beans, I already boiled it. I just take off little portion to prepare my own food. If you observe my gas, we have different pots there. For my family, everybody have the food they eat. But this, me, I stick to it. I discipline my mouth. I know that health is weight, because this journey of life, you stop blaming enemy for your failure. So it's what you can do. My food is ready. I will take portion. I will take my the portion I want to eat now. Then I will leave the rest inside the pot. I managed to now. If you know, I wear size 16 before. Now I wear size 10. Size 12. When I want the gown to be that loose, I wear 12. But my main size now is 10. So my husband is complaining. He say I should stop. But I will just maintain this my weight now. So right now, I just portion it. Even the one I even take, I did not even finish it. I take it back after this video. So why I can't eat anymore is the protein shake, high protein shake without sugar. Go and buy it. And the video is down below. Go and buy high protein shake. Then I eat once a day. Then this is the food. Chicken breast, that's it. So if you know you want to lose weight and you are sincere, you are serious, don't fake yourself. Even though you go and do surgery, you go and take injection, do anything, you are doing exercise, and you still don't mind what you eat, it will not work. I've tried everything. I've tried most of the things I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. I have tried, but I now discover that it's what I eat matters. What you eat matter a lot. What the food you eat and drink. Stop drinking frizzy drink. Stop drinking all this Coca-Cola Motes all in the name of enjoyment. Stick to water. Drink just water. Water is life. And if you want to drink any other thing, drink protein shake. The video is down below where to get protein shake, how to order cauliflower rice. Everything is down below. So this is me enjoying. At the end of this the day, I managed to take it back again, but I could not finish it. See you on my next video. Health is wet. Remember.